Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to the channel. So I haven't been out on Rita for a few weeks now. If you saw my last video, you'll have seen that right at the end of it the sprocket came off. So I've had quite a few small jobs to put right all the damage that got done with that. So today is some sort of test ride just to see that she's running alright. So as it's a test ride, it's a very short one and there's no shorter than the lane we're on here. This is Back Lane in Burneston. It's only 750 metres long. No corners in it, no up and down, so apart from the mud it's a pretty simple lane to do. But it's one of the ones that's under threat from definitive map changes, so I thought we'd better give it a try before it's gone. So let's go and see what it's like. Hello you. So that was Back Lane at Burneston, 750 metres of pleasure. It probably took me longer to describe it than it actually did to ride it. But it was a good little lane, nice surface, not too muddy even in October. And Rita was perfect, so she's passed all the tests. So that's all from me. Until the next time.